Marketing is vital to the success of any business. It is the process of creating value for a company through the creation and distribution of products or services. In order to be successful, businesses must create a marketing plan to outline their goals and strategies. Creating a marketing plan can be a daunting task, but it is essential for businesses to have one in place in order to be successful. Watch this video and learn 5 tips for creating a winning marketing plan for your business. Number 1. Know your audience. This involves research to determine who your ideal customer is, what their needs and wants are, and where they can be found. Once you have a good understanding of your audience, you can start to develop a marketing strategy that will reach them. To do this effectively, you need to consider what channels they use, for example, social media, email, search engines. What type of content they engage with blog posts, infographics, videos, and what time of day they are most active online. Number 2. Do your research. Creating a marketing plan can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to define your target market. Who are your ideal customers? What are their needs and wants? Once you know who you're targeting, you can begin to develop marketing strategy that will reach them. Next, you'll need to set some goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing plan? How much revenue do you hope to generate? What are your costs? Setting realistic goals will help you measure the success of your marketing plan. Number 3. Set your goals. Without clear goals, it will be difficult to measure the success of your marketing efforts. When setting goals, think about what you want to achieve with your marketing campaign. Do you want to increase brand awareness? Drive more traffic to your website? Generate more leads? Once you know what you want to accomplish, you can start setting measurable goals. Number 4. Choose your platforms. As you create your marketing plan, it's important to identify which platform you'll use to execute your strategy. You can use social media, email marketing, website or blog, print advertising, broadcast advertising, outdoor advertising, direct mail, and public relations. And number 5, create content that speaks to your audience. It's important to create content that speaks to your audience. After all, your content is what will help you connect with potential customers and convert them into paying customers. Before you can create content that speaks to your audience, you need to know who your audience is. What are their demographics? What are their interests? What are their needs? Once you know who your audience is, you can start creating content that appeals to them. Write compelling headlines, use keywords wisely, and be concise and clear. By following these 5 tips, you can create a winning marketing plan that will help your business reach its goals.